Yes, we'll be back again, my friends, to this new video tutorial, and I happened to explain to you previously on a format on which how you can always make up your plots, which is good. Now let me show you just within this short video on how to save up our program. Now here, whenever you're using up this shell or this script, this shell we are seeing here, if I happen to come back here and I say maybe plot or pl.show, you'll discover that we shall just if you try to come up with give assumption, just try to say plot this or something like that, you'll find that we shall just get a blank kind of, so pl.show, things like that. We shall get up that coordinates of ours, which is to make up our whatever which you happen to make. That implies every time that I would like to say pl.show, if I just click that, it don't do anything because you have not illustrated for it to bring for up the coordinates. If you want it to do, then you have to bring this stuff back again, this one here, which is this stuff. So if you don't want to repeat yourself doing the same thing, please go to new, go to file, go to new file, something like that, and after doing so, a new window kind of stuffs will pop up like that. So what we are going to just do at the moment, within the meantime, is just to bring all of those stuffs of ours that will happen maybe to generate last time back. Just try to import all of them if possible, pilot as pl, and then I just have to bring my coordinates. So we happen to use the following coordinates. I'm just copy that to save time. Just saving the copying that. So we have also the one for y, so I'm just try to copy that too, that's it. So come back also here, I save it there, put there, and we have to say pl.plot for us. We would like to plot for us the value of x and y, and if that's what we have, then that's good. So we shall also say now pl.pt, so I'm always used with the other one of matplotlib.pyplot, but don't worry, we shall reach there very soon. So I'm also going to just type your one on as show, which is a good technique because we would like us to show for us the graph. Now to save this, just go to file, save as. I'm just going to be saving it as, so this does open up there. I'll go to the desktop. I already have my folder which I happen to create called Python tutorials. Just double click there and I go to data vision or data visualization. I click there, then here I'm just going to call it maybe example 1, something like that. So when I happen to hit save, I've saved my stuff and that's it. So next time I need to use my stuff, I just don't need to I take the other one. I'll just take this one here around. That implies we shall no longer be using the other stuff, we shall be using up this one. So if to run this one around, you just have to hit run or hit F5 on your machine, and when you click there, it should be coming up, bringing up this kind of our graph, which is what we wanted. Now I can also simply say there's another format in which we can always hit to save to the format in which we can always get up our program or our project. I say last time, if you want to pick up your stuffs, yeah, you can also save it in this format. You can just hit here file, you can save to save the figure, click there, hit there, and then to open up stuff like this for you, asking where would you like to save it. Now ours would like to save in the desktop in the directory where our stuff is. I just go to Python tutorials, double click there, and I just going to go to inside the visualization, and there I'll just call it maybe figure 1. I'll just call maybe whatever name you're giving, maybe if figure 1. Then you come down here, you pick the format. I think the format you have seen, there's PDF, there's blah blah, there's PNG, and there's PostScript, there's all other vector kind of graphs if you want. So I may just take PNG for this case and hit save. So if you do so, then if I just happen to go back onto our stuff and I cross check that, you'll discover that now the other graph of ours inside here, it's here, the graph. So if I open up the graph, I think you can see that that's the graph we happen to make of recent here, or that's the graph we have. So guys, that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Maybe since I still have some means, let me also show another format if you don't want to save the graph like that. I give assumption I just don't want to save the graph like that. I just want it to do for me the program and then just save from the graph. So to do such kind of stuffs, you can also just come down here and type pl.save fig like that, then open up here. You give the format in which you want to save your stuff. Now this stuff of ours, I would like to save it as maybe PNG or something like that. So I'll just come back here. I may use single quote, then I give the name, maybe I'll just save maybe pic.pdf or PDF if that's how you want it. So when I click here save like that, I come here and hit run. I think you have seen it is generating, and as it has generated this stuff, we expect it also to save for us in the same format we expected it also to be. If you try to cross check, we already have our stuff there done, and if you also cross check, this is our stuff. So let me try to check whether it has really printed it out like we said. Let us check here. If you don't find it here, I think, my friends, you have seen. That's so great, man. I think it is also nice. I've also shown you the formats in which, and other techniques how you can simply generate it out, your stuff. Another format how you would like to get it. You just give the pl.save fig so that can just save for you then, and I think you can see here it has happened to save for us as a PDF. And if I happen to double click and open numpy here, I think wow, where is it, just not seeing. Wow, I'm sure that, check that. I think that's it. Let me just try to cross check again where that is existing. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's come back and try to meet up on the next video, and we try to see more on that stuff, on other format of things. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.